My name is Morgan, and today I'm going to show you how to play the kalimba. The kalimba is actually a Western version of the African mbira, which has been found for thousands of years. The way to play it is to simply pluck the tines with your thumbnail. You want to make sure that your kalimba is in tune, and to do that you can usually get a simple tuning app, like this one. So when you play the note, in tune. Sometimes you'll find that your kalimba is out of tune, so if it is, you take the small tuning hammer. If you need the note to go lower, hit it down. Need the note to go higher, hit it up. The kalimba has 2 sound holes in the back, so when you're playing it, you want to make sure you don't cover those up. What's interesting about the kalimba is that it's not quite like a usual musical instrument like a piano where all the notes go up in order, from left to right. The kalimba, you actually have to alternate. So if you do any of the tines that are right by each other, they'll be a third apart. So any 2 beside each other make a chord. When you play 2 tines beside each other, they'll make a chord. There's also the windshield wiper method, which some people use. So you're moving your thumbs left and right at the same time.